Hi children, we are meeting again today and we are continuing with the lessons on inequalities. In my last lesson, I can remember I did the introduction and I explained what inequalities are. Today we are continuing with the lessons and we are going to the exercise number 21.1. If you look at your books, you will be able to see the exercises on page 5 of part 3 of the year 9 syllabus. We are doing the year 9 syllabus and these numbers mean the lesson 116 year 9 syllabus. So, if you look at the exercise number 21.1, we will look at the first one. Solve each of the following inequalities and write the set of integral solutions. Integral solution means, I explained last time also, you have to give the numbers, the correct number, not the fractions or anything, or greater or less, you have to give the correct numbers. Look at the first one. X plus 3 is greater than 5. X plus 3 is greater than 5. So, in this inequality, we have x plus 3 on one side and greater than 5. So, treat this as an equation, just similar to an equation. What you do is bring the number onto the right hand side. Don't mess with the inequality sign. Many children, many teachers explain by putting the changing the inequality sign, which makes the children confused. So, what you do is treat this as the equation and bring the number onto the right side. So, next will be x is greater than 5 minus 3, bring the plus 3 on that side, minus 3. So, that is x is greater than 2. So, they are asking the integral values. So, integral values will be greater than 2 will be 3, 4, 5 and etc. So, this is how you do that one. Look at the next one. X minus 4 is less than 1, Keep the inequality sign as it is and treat this as an equation. So, minus 4 bring it on to that side. So, it will be x is less than 1 plus 4. So, x is less than 5. So, x is less than 5 will be 4, 3, 2, etc. Look at the next one. X minus 7 is greater than or equal to minus 6. Now, I explained in my last lesson what this sign means. Here there are two signs, that is greater and equal. So, x minus 7 is equal to minus 6 and x minus 7 is greater than minus 6. So, two equations there. So, treat this as equation. So, it will be next line, it will be x is greater than or equal to minus 6 plus 7. So, x is greater than or equal to 1. So, x is greater than or equal to 1 will be 1, 2, 3, etc. Because you have to take 1 also because x is greater than or equal to 1. So, it comes, this is number third one. So, look at the fourth one. 2 plus x is less than or equal to minus 4. So, what you do is keep the x on this side and bring the 2 onto that side. So, is less than or equal to minus 4, minus 4, minus 2. So, x is less than or equal to minus 6. So, x is less than or equal to minus 6, you have to be careful, you have to use the number line, less than or equal to be, so minus, you have to take minus 6 also, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and continue like that, next one, let us say according to the number line. So, these are the integral values of that inequality. Look at the next one, 7 plus x is greater than 5. So, keep the x on that side and bring the 7 onto that side, 5 minus 7. So, x is greater than minus 2. So, x is greater than minus 2, integral value will be minus 1, 0, 1 and so on. So, that is question number 1. I have done all those 5 sums and please go through again and try to understand. Now, we will go to the next sum. Question number 2. Solve each of the following inequalities and represent the solution set on a number line. So, here we have first one, x plus 1 is greater than 3. So, here they are not asking for integral values, you have to show this in a number line. So, same way we treat this as an equation and we write this in this way, that is x is greater than 3 minus 1, x is greater than 2. So, now how to represent number line? So, here 0, 1, 2. and 3. So greater than 2 means it is going like this. You can use another color, blue color or something like that, and greater than 2 will be to the right hand side. You can mark it like this. So why did I mark this with a circle and not colored? Circle not colored means we are not taking 2 but greater than 2. So greater than 2 will be coming from here. We are not taking 2 but from there it's going on. Look at the next one. X minus 3 is less than or equal to 1. X is less than or equal to 1 plus 3. So x is less than or equal to 4. So again we have the number line. We have with 0 is here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So x is less than or equal to 4. So it is coming from here. Less than or equal to 4 means we have to color this. That is 4 is also included. And we draw the line from here with a different color to show that it is like this. Look at the next one. X minus 7 is less than minus 7. So x is less than 7 minus 7. So x is less than 0. So 0 minus 1 minus 2. So x is less than 0. You draw a line, a circle there and darken this part. X plus 5 is greater than minus 1. So x is greater than minus 1 minus 5. X is greater than minus 6. So it will be, we say minus 6 is here, we say 0 is here, and 1, 2, 3, like it goes. So greater than minus 6 will be coming from here. We don't want this point, but coming from there. Can darken like that. So that is this exercise number 2 over. Look at the next sum. Sakendu has 60 rupees. He buys a book for X rupees and a pen for 10 rupees. The total value of the items he bought can be represented, expressed in terms of an inequality. X plus 10 is less than or equal to 6. Sakin has 60 rupees. He buys a book for X rupees and a pen for 10 rupees. So X plus 10. So it will be X plus 10 and less than or equal to 60. Sakin has 60 rupees. He buys a book for X rupees and a pen for 10 rupees. X rupees book, 10 rupees pen. So the total amount is what will be expressed in terms of an inequality. X plus 10 is less than or equal to 60. So solve this inequality and determine the maximum price that the book could be. So when we solve this inequality, in the same way we solve. So x is less than or equal to 60 rupees minus 10. So x is less than or equal to 50. So the price of the book should be less than or equal to 50 because total amount he has is 60 rupees. It has to be less than or equal to 50 rupees. So the maximum price of the book should be, maximum price of book will be 50 rupees. Rupees 50. Right, look at the next one. The maximum number of people that can travel in a certain van is 15. If 3 people got into the van from one location and X number of people from another location, this van can be represented by the inequality X plus 3 is less than or equal to 15. X plus 3 should be less than or equal to 15 because in the van only 15 people can get in. So 3 people have got in. So the inequality has to be X plus 3 should be less than or equal to 15. So when you solve this, they are asking you to solve the inequality. So it will be x is less than or equal to 15 minus 3. So x is less than or equal to 12. So when you solve the equation, x is less than or equal to equal, what is the maximum number of people that can get into the van from the second location? So maximum number could be only 12. They know 12, more than 12 can't get in because maximum number for the van is 15. Look at the next one, 15th one. The sum of the ages of Gitmi and Nesmi does not exceed 30. Gitmi and Nesmi does not exceed 30. Sum of the ages. Gitmi is 14 years old. If Nesmi's age is x, this information can be represented by the inequality x plus 14 is x plus 14 less than or equal to 13. So the inequality will be x plus 14 is less than or equal to 30. The sum of the age of Gitmi and does not exceed 30. Gitmi is 14. Gitmi is 14. And Nesmi's age is x. So both of them should be, when you add, it is, the information can be represented by inequality x plus 14 is equal to 13. Sum of the ages. So x is less than or equal to 30 minus 14. So x is less than or equal to 16. So when you solve the equation, x is less than or equal to 16. So the maximum age of Nesmi should be so Nesmi should be 16, maximum age, or she can be 16 or less. That's all for today, children. This exercise 21.1 we have done, and I hope you will go through this and learn this exercise. If you have liked the lesson, please subscribe.